welcome back to my video. It's Squad Locations DVD. Thumbs up. So, my name is Trickster, and my second name is Maximum Jackson. So, today we're going to be doing these experiments. So, oh, can you pick them up?
Get back, Callum.
Still going. Keep going. Keep it going. You must shake it. You must shake it. So now it's time to do the big one. Ow! It went on the deck. My turn. Mind. Skip the mentor. Try skipping the mentor. I think we have to get the mentor from this one. Put it in.
Say something.
My video, guys.